Welcome guys to the Miami Bro channel. We came out here to the Homestead Marina. We hadn't been here in a while because of COVID. They apparently repaved, as you guys can see, and I'll show you now. They repaved the parking area for the single axle trailers, and they also fixed these docks, because I remember last time I was here this was not like this. So check it out. They fixed these docks. They look pretty nice. Black Point Marina is gonna have to do something similar to this because their docks are starting to break apart. But this is very nice. This also has a long channel, just like Black Point Marina, to get out, but it's not as long as the one from Black Point Marina. This one is actually shorter for the no wake zone. And this is also pretty cool. You'll come, and if you're waiting for friends, you just dock on the side like these guys did right here. It's a pretty good little spot right here. That way your friends show up and you're docked on the side, you're not disturbing anybody else. Pretty cool. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching. This was a quick little segment. I wanted to show you guys how this marina has improvised their parking lot, and also their docking station, with, you know, where you come back with your boats. It's pretty cool. I think that Black Point Marina should take some pointers from this place and upgrade their docks. All right guys, thank you for watching, for subscribing, for the likes. If you're new to the channel, check out the rest of my videos, and feel free to comment. I always try to respond back to all the comments you guys make. All right guys, take care.